Whether you need help with your personal taxes, small or large corporation taxes, or you just need a reliable, professional CPA or accountant, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local CPA and accountant service, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional and, most importantly, meticulous when it comes to handling your finances. Feel free to call one of our friendly staff now to arrange a free, no-obligation consultation to discuss your personal or business accounting needs. We look forward to working with you. Affiliate System is a 6-week program with the sole goal of creating an affiliate marketing business and getting it profitable in as short of time as possible, with step-by-step proven methods taught by online marketing experts making at least $100,000 a month in revenue. The program will then focus on how to scale these advertising campaigns as fast as possible and build a full-fledged empire. Upon purchase, you will get immediate access to the entire program, which will begin by showing you in a step-by-step format to pick your first product offers without hard costs, set up a pre-sale page, and use super cheap Facebook advertising to get customers. This is 100% beginner-friendly. This program is designed to work for a total novice without any prior experience. Through the 6-week course you will get everything you need to build an online marketing business in successful niches, pick the right offers and get buying customers to those offers. You will be shown how to turn this into an internet empire from the masters of the affiliate marketing world. Week 1. Affiliate System Setup. The first week of this course is dedicated entirely to getting results as fast as possible, ads, pre-sale pages, and affiliate networks, and earning commissions now. How to make your first commissions as an affiliate marketer within 2 hours. How to get approved for your first affiliate networks so that you can start earning commissions immediately. How to set up your ads, pre-sale pages, and affiliate links fast, with no prior experience required. How to set up Facebook ads that convert on broad audiences. How to leverage affiliate networks and their representatives so that they work for you, for free. Week 2. How to choose your niche and offer. The second week of the course is dedicated to helping you understand the system in its entirety. We'll be going over how to choose a niche, offers, ad networks, and doing your own research. This is 100% beginner friendly. This program, or even promote products outside of the buy-soap or nutraceutical niches. How to create the right mindset to help you succeed even if you've never been successful in any other business endeavor before. How to figure out the niche and affiliate offers that will work best for you. How to choose an ad network to specialize on. How to create competitive advantages for yourself as an online marketer. Week 3. Advanced Marketing Skills. The third week of the course focuses entirely on advanced marketing skills that will make you a master of getting people to purchase your product through a blend of research and copywriting tactics. What copywriting is, and how you can write highly profitable headlines for your advertisements. 5 keys to a profitable pre-sale page. How to tap into people's deepest emotions to hypnotize them to buy. My 17-step copywriting method that works every time. Advanced optimization tactics that will allow you to take affiliate campaigns from barely breaking even, to being massively profitable. Week 4. Facebook and Google Advertising. The fourth week of the course focuses exclusively on leveraging the most powerful tools of influence that we have available at our fingertips to reach billions of people, Facebook and Google. How to easily create Facebook advertising campaigns that generate massive click-throughs and ROI. How to stay compliant with Facebook's complex and ever-changing policies so that you never get an ad account shut down ever again. How to understand all the different metrics in advertising so that you can safely navigate your way to profitability. How to leverage Google's advertising network to profitably and consistently generate clicks and sales to your pre-sale pages. Week 5. YouTube Ads and Native Advertising. The fifth week of the course goes over other secondary ad networks that offer massive potential, and extremely cheap clicks, to those that are willing to venture outside of Facebook and Google. How to set up YouTube ads so that you can get penny clicks, on a massive scale, and earn millions of dollars. What native advertising is, and how you can use native advertising networks such as Taboola, Outbrain, and Mj to fuel your affiliate marketing business to tens of thousands of dollars per day in revenue. How to use a click tracker to do even more advanced optimization on your advertising campaigns. The secret to profitable video ads on Facebook. How to structure your advertising campaigns effectively. Week 6. Scaling and Automation. The 6th week of the course covers advanced marketing tactics, how to hire/manage media buyers, and goes over numerous case studies of monster affiliate campaigns that make hundreds of thousands of dollars. How to use survey funnels to supercharge your Facebook conversion rates. The $240,000 solar campaign case study. How to scale affiliate campaigns from $1,000 per day profit